Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today's unboxing is a box from Fossil. I know their Sydney Satchel and Rachel Satchel are very popular, but this is not it. So let's open up to see what I order. Time to open it up. I do really like their packaging. They have this pattern printed on the box and it's really pretty. This is how it packed inside the box. And this is the bag I ordered this time. Other than the bag, I also bought another watch. So I thought before looking at the bag, let's take a look at this watch. So this is the box and the packaging. All the Fossil watches, they all came in this kind of a cute tin box with great design. This one looks like it has some playing card design on it. Let's open it up. It's another green watch. But instead of the leather strap, this one came with a nylon strap. I do like the color of this watch. It's pretty simple and straightforward. But I have to say, this metal here, the metal hardware, it looks rather flimsy. I suspect this may be plastic. I'm a little bit surprised. Usually the quality is pretty good with Fossil, but this one feels sort of flimsy. Not sure how this works. Maybe I don't wear it correctly because it has this tail hanging on the side. I have to figure out. I have to say, compared to the previous leather one, I definitely would recommend that one over this one. So if you haven't seen that YouTube Shorts video that I uploaded about the other green watch, you can go take a look. Now let's look at the bag. Can you tell which bag I ordered? The plastic is making a lot of noise, so let me take it out. So this is Fossil's Parker Satchel. Based on the measurement online, this one will be bigger than the Sydney Satchel and Rachel Satchel. So if you think those are too small for you, you can consider this one. So looks like this Parker Satchel comes with this crossbody strap. It's removable. You can remove it from this side D-ring. And for the bottom of the bag, it does have metal feet, but these are pretty flat. I don't think the metal feet will do much to protect your bag. And some of you may know I have been really into green bags lately, so when I saw this one, I knew I had to get it. And I would say I'm pretty happy with what I see. The leather texture is beautiful, and the hardware seems solid as well. It comes with the metal zipper, not a plastic one, which is great. Interestingly, it looks like it has a side pocket here, and another one, sort of like two hidden side pockets. I guess winter time when you are cold, you can just put your hand in. Can be your hand warmer in the winter. Interesting design. Always love to have extra pockets. Now let's open up the bag and see what's inside. After taking out the stuffing, as you can see here, the bag is quite soft. So I probably need a bag organizer so that it doesn't collapse on its own later on. Inside the bag, on the front panel, you have a slip pocket. And then on the other side, you have a zip pocket. But other than that, it is a very straightforward satchel, and it does come with a fabric lining. So when I was ordering this bag online, I was looking at the information and they seem to use different kind of leather. From my research, it seems that the leather they use is more eco-friendly and it uses less water in the tanning process. But I think sometimes new type of material tend to confuse consumers. I found it interesting that with company like Madewell, it's very straightforward because they always just put leather. They wouldn't tell you what kind of leather or the tanning process, and it's easier for a general consumer so that you don't have to be wondering what kind of leather. But I do appreciate when company explore the option to bring us good product but also more eco-friendly. So this is an adjustable crossbody strap. So with the design, you can adjust to any length you want. I'm going to shorten it to see how it looks. I usually like to use shorter crossbody strap and have my bag closer to my body. So I have shortened the crossbody strap, and this is the height I like when I carry a crossbody bag. I like the design of this strap because you don't have leftover strap dangling around when you want to adjust it to shoulder length. So I know some of you may prefer a longer crossbody strap. So this is the length. If I adjusted it to the longest length, it's pretty long. I think it should be able to accommodate most body shapes. So this is for today's unboxing. I don't know this Parker satchel will be as popular as their Sydney satchel or Rachel satchel, but if you need a bigger bag, I think this is a great one. And they have multiple colors for you to choose as well. Before I end this video, I also like to take the opportunity to thank the current and new subscribers, and feel free to say hi in the comment area. I'd like to know more about you all. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye!